Alright there, brew tubers. This is Kenny in Iceland. Built me this PID controller. Right now, heater 1's on, which is down here for this RIMS tube. I have heater 2 off right now because I'm not sure that it's a lot of amperage. That's for heater 2. You can see, man, it's working. All right, it's going. This will be the mash tun. It's coming from the mash tun down here into my pump, up out of the pump, going around, going into heater 1 RIMS tube, coming out heater 1 RIMS tube, up, recirculating into the hot liquor tank. Alright, coming out of the hot liquor tank, coming down this tube here and into my second solar pump, coming out here, going up into RIMS tube number 2, coming out and back and around here, coming up here and into my sparge arm, and then back again. So right now this PID is set at 50. The light's on, the heater's on. Okay, got some leakage down there from that tube there, but or it's up here, I'm not sure which. But that's it for now. Later, Gators.